Let's make a throat spray. Making throat spray is quick and easy and great to have on hand during cold and flu season. To make your throat spray, you will need Echinacea tincture, spilanthes tincture, glycerin or honey, water, and propolis tincture. You'll also want to have a glass measuring cup, a funnel and a spoon, a spray bottle or other storage bottle, and of course labels. To make your throat spray, you'll want to start by adding 2 ounces of Echinacea tincture to your glass measuring cup. Next, add 1/2 ounce of spilanthes tincture. If you don't have spilanthes tincture, you can substitute with prunella tincture, thyme tincture, or Oregon grapefruit tincture. Next, add your honey or glycerin. You will need 1/2 ounce of this as well. I'm adding honey to my throat spray. Next, add 1/2 ounce of water. And finally, you'll want to add a dropper full or about 30 drops of propolis tincture. Your throat spray may become a little cloudy when you add this in. That's perfectly normal. Stir to mix everything together and to dissolve the honey into the alcohol extracts. Your throat spray is ready to be poured into a bottle. I only have a 2-ounce bottle, so I'll pour 2 ounces of the mixture into that bottle, and the rest I'll store in another bottle. When you're finished pouring your throat spray into the bottles, be sure to add your labels. Echinacea throat spray is shelf stable and will last indefinitely as long as it's kept in a cool, dark location. To use your Echinacea throat spray, shake the spray, then spray 3 to 5 times towards the back of the mouth as needed.